Guangzhou Xinghe Aluminum Composite Panel Company Limited was established in 2001. 13,333 square meters of manufacturing area, superior in location and convenient in transport. We introduce international technology and new production equipment, supply a series of quality aluminum composite panels with competitive price to our widespread users. We established a set of strict quality assurance system, successfully passed ISO 9001, SONCAP. The warranty period can reach 10 years for PE coating series, 15 years for PVDF series. Our products have been exported to Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, South America, Europe, Australia by agents. Xinghe is famous for its quick delivery, various models and colors. The comprehensive cost-effective for our products are fine in this line. Why choose us? Minimum order quantity based on aluminum thickness and flexible quantity available as per stock. Our sales cell phone keeps 24 hours working, whenever we can provide you with pre- and after-sale service. We can recommend hot cell specification according to different market for the wholesaler. Explain the installation method in detail for the project contractor. If it is a huge project, we are able to introduce an installation team especially for you. Friendly relationship with a shipping company can apply for the economic freight and deal with any emergency efficiently. Welcome to visit us.